Hello guys, welcome to SRS Anime, and today we are going to see best selling manga ever in history. So here are all 10 picks. So 10th one is Astro Boy. Yes, the author of this manga is Osamu Tezuka and published by Kobusha. It is the shonen manga. Yes, this manga have total 23 volumes. These are less volumes. And this manga serialized between 1952 to 1968. Also sold 100 million copies. So ninth one on our list is Slam Dunk. The author of this manga is Takehiko Inoue and published by Shueisha. It is a shonen manga. The total volumes are 31. It runs between 1990 to 1996. In 4 years, sold over 120 million copies. The 8th one on our list is Oishimbo. The author is Tetsu Kuria and Akira Hunasaki. Published by Shogakukan. This is a seinen manga. Yes, created 110 volumes and it running from 1983 to present. Yes, it's ongoing manga and don't know which will sold more copies. Now the main is it sold over 130 million copies. The 7th one on our list is Case Closed. The author is Ghosh Ayoma. The publisher is, that's nice one, Shogakukan. This is a shonen manga. Yes, also this is a shonen manga and I have published over total 86 volumes and start in 1994 and it's ongoing. So sold over 150 million copies. So 6th one on our list is Kushira Katu Shikaku Komeari Koneme Hashu Sujo. Sorry, its name is too difficult, so I will pronounce it. Kochira Katsu Shikaku Komaeri Koen me Hoshu Sujo. The author of this manga is Osuma Akimoto, published by Shueisha. This is a shonen manga. Total volume created 195, running from 1976 to and it's ongoing. Sold over 156 million copies. The 5th one on our list is Blackjack. The author of Blackjack is Osamu Tezuka, published by Akita Shoten. This is a shonen manga. Total volume 17, serialized in 1973 to 1983. Almost 10 years. Sold over 176 million copies. The 4th one in our list is, and it's a very famous manga, Naruto. Yes, Naruto. The author of this manga is Masashi Kishimoto, published by Shueisha. This is shonen manga. Total 72 volumes, serialized between 1999 to 2014. It just ended in last year. Sold over 220 million copies. The 3rd one, and it's the most famous manga ever made in history, Dragon Ball. The author of this manga is Akira Toriyama, published by Shueisha. This is a shonen manga. Total volumes is 42, serialized between 1984 to 1995. Sold over 230 million copies. The 2nd one on our list is Golga 13. Author is Toko Saito, published by Shogakukan. This is seinen manga. Total volumes are 177, serialized in between 1969 and it's still ongoing. Sold over 280 million copies. The first one on our list is One Piece. It's a fabulous manga and it's also a famous one. The author of this manga is Eiichiro Oda, published by Shueisha. This is shonen manga. Total 79 volumes. Start in 1997 and still ongoing. Sold over 320 million copies. So this is our best list for the top 10 selling mangas. Thanks for watching, and if you want more lists, so please subscribe to my channel.